Astronauts on a Mars mission will experience isolation and confinement for an unprecedented duration. A round trip to Mars could take anywhere from 14 to 20 months, depending on the alignment of Earth and Mars, plus the time spent on the Martian surface. This isolation poses significant psychological challenges, as astronauts will be cut off from direct communication with Earth, experiencing up to a 22-minute delay in sending or receiving messages. Agencies like NASA have conducted Earth-based simulations to study the effects of long-term isolation on crews. Traveling to Mars exposes astronauts to significant levels of cosmic radiation, much more than what is experienced on the International Space Station, ISS. This is due to the lack of a protective atmosphere and magnetic field around the spacecraft, unlike Earth, which shields us from harmful radiation. Prolonged exposure to cosmic rays and solar radiation increases the risk of cancer, damage to the nervous system, and other health issues. In microgravity, astronauts experience muscle atrophy and bone density loss at a much faster rate than on Earth. While the ISS has shown that regular exercise can mitigate these effects, the journey to Mars and prolonged surface stay in reduced gravity will test the limits of current countermeasures. Astronauts will need to follow rigorous exercise regimes and possibly rely on advanced technologies or pharmaceuticals to maintain muscle and bone health. Astronauts traveling to Mars will likely grow their own food during the mission to supplement their diets and reduce the amount of supplies needed from Earth. This means they will become the first space farmers. Growing plants in space or on Mars presents unique challenges, including reduced gravity, the need for artificial lighting, and the use of hydroponics or aeroponics systems. The success of a Mars mission will heavily depend on the psychological resilience and teamwork of the crew. Astronauts will need to maintain high levels of motivation, manage stress effectively, and resolve conflicts in a healthy manner, all while being millions of miles away from Earth. Selection processes for Mars missions are expected to place a greater emphasis on psychological stability and the ability to work well in a team under extreme conditions. Training programs are incorporating long-duration simulation missions on Earth to prepare crews for the mental and emotional challenges of a real Mars mission.